Today we are unboxing and making 3 Miniverse Make-It Minis. We have a cafe, a diner and a lifestyle, all series 1. Let's get to it. Start with the lifestyle again. Here is the code in case anybody wants it. And the pull tab is on this side. Now let's see. I mean, actually, nope. That was predictable, wasn't it? And I do have my still broken pointy tool. So I can get my scalpel. They need to come up with a different way of opening this top layer, because it's always the top layer that is a pain to open. Careful if you decide to use something sharp to open these with. And remember, these are resin. They are not for eating. Let's see what we got. And I love these lifestyle bowls. I know I said in the last video, but I do, because they turn into little shelves. So let's do that real quick, and then straighten out the way. Let's put this lid to the side. You can leave the back on. I've seen people actually use this box, so take the shelf out, flip it over, push it in, and it should, yep, sit on there. Grab the bowl bit, and just click it in. There we go, click it in. Oop. And then we have our little shelf. Let's just put that to the back a minute. And ooh, we have another tank. We have salt water. So our other lifestyle that we have gotten so far was clownfish. Are we going to get another clownfish? I don't know. Let's open this tank. It's another circle tank. Oh, our silver tongs. Move the rest to the side there. Collector's guide. All of the instructions. Bye. This is whatever fishes. This is, I think we've got another clownfish. We have purple and pink pebbles and a little orange coral. And we have, yep, we got another clownfish. So, since we have another double, I will not be making this one today. You've already seen me do it. I do plan on keeping all of my doubles to do remixes, so let's just pop everything back in here. Bye bye little fishy. Let's pop all our pieces back in here. Save our nice piece of wrapping paper. Put it back in there. Put our lid back on. Let's put it to one side. Let's open the little one. Let's open this one. Series 1 Cafe. And we got the cafe latte last time. Lost my shop. Lost my scalpel for a second. So let's see, shall we? Yep. Yep. Alrighty. We've already gone. So please, MGM, figure a different packaging. Bye bye sharp pointy. Bye bye scalpel. Right. Please, mini gods. Not another double. So we've got a little, ooh, Boba, please Matt. Yay, I don't think we'll get double. Let's put that on there for a second. And let's get rid of the papers. So we have our instructions. Hi instructions. Goodbye instructions. Collector's guide to the side. Tweezers and the handle for the ball. Let's put that to one side because we don't need it. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. Let's open this one first, which least man is anything to go by will be a yellow straw. Yay! In here, which is very flat, we have a sunny day, not in the UK. And in here we have Boba. We got Boba. Yummy. And in this little corner it says Best Boba, 100% happy. So we have a Boba, so we definitely didn't get a double day. And here we have resin, and we get Happy Sun Farms milk tea. That's purple, so I'll double check what this is in a second. We have a Boba. In here we have some ice cubes. Ice, baby. Then we have, I think this is our cup, and it's the one with the teddy bear ears or cat ears, whatever you want to pick. But how stinking cute is that cup? Oh, it's so good. Okay, so we have all of our ingredients. Let's go check our checklist. Oh, I don't even have to undo it. I think, nope, hang on. I do have to unfold it because that's the strawberry Boba. We got this one, which is Ube, I think. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. I don't drink Boba, so I have no idea. So as you can see, yes, we have this one, and it's going to be super bit easy, just like the other drinks. Pour the resin, which I'm just going to tip upside down real quick. Resin, add the Boba at the bottom, top it up, add some ice. Do not forget the straw before you set. Let's get started. Once again, I also do have my nail lamp just to the side here, just to get everything set nice and quicker, hopefully. But yep, so let's take this off, put it into one side a second. Actually, let's put them up here out of the way. So I'm going to do this like I do most of my drinks. I'm just going to give it a bit of shake because I haven't been able to warm it up yet. Let's open it up. Take the little seal off. We'll try and take the seal off. Good thing I have the scalpel, which I can get a lid off now. There we go. And now we have our resin opened. So let's get it back upside down and let's put a good dollop in the bottom. Whoop. Put the lid back on a second. Nice and tight. Clean my hand because I've got a bit more resin on it. I'm right mess today. Let's put some Bobas in. I'm not going to use all of these. Let's take a quick look at these. Look at these. They're so little. Let's get a couple more out. And let's put them in to a drink. I'm just going to open the straw real quick and give it a bit of a stir with that. Let's just give these a bit stir around with our straw. And let's add just couple more. Get them to come out the packet. Just fill it up a bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna pop the lid back on so our straw is in the right place. And let's go put this under our lamp. We still have a fair few left in there. So I'm just going to put this into the lamp quick, get the Boba set in the bottom. And 30 seconds. So let's give this a little, let's take the lid back off, and yep, that is set. And I do have a couple of tiny air bubbles, but yeah, I'm not bothered by the air bubbles. So let's get this nicely filled now. I'm not going to fill it all the way at the top because I want the lid to be able to still come off. So let's just give this a nice squeeze. A lid back on. Let's get some ice. I don't want to put too many in because I actually like the difference between them. Let's see, is this, yep, this ice is sealed as well. Make sure I get below the seal so we can actually get the ice out. And let's add, I only want a couple. Just I want it like, yeah. I'm going to put that back under the lamp in 30 seconds. So we still have the distinction between the drinks and the ice. Let's put a bit more. Let's put a bit more in. Again, I'm just going to put in a couple bits of ice. And I'll do. Let's get another lamp before these sink too much. I still want to be able to see them. Boba has had time under the lamp. We have a Boba, we have some ice. You can see the ice at the top, and now let's put our lid on. And then we have 2 ways to drink it. As you can see, I've cleaned up a bit. We still have a tiny bit in here, I think. I've got leftover ice and our leftover Boba. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? I like it. I think it's super cute. It's a little big for Barbie and Rainbow High, but I'll get some photos with them and you can check out whether you think this will do for your dollhouse. Let's move on to our next one. We have our Diner Series 1. Oh! I did it! I did it! It came off in one go! Oh my god! Oh my god! It came off! Ah, ah. Look at that cute girl. No! Almost started. Lovely. Half the time these go off, even if you go through a till with a cashier on it. Whoa! Last time we got banana toast. Please don't be banana toast. Hello instructions. Goodbye instructions. Collector's guide. Let's put our table together. Let's put this just here. I'm still trying to level itself out. We have sunny side up mat. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags, and of course our tweezers on the ball handle. So let's see what we've got in the cutlery one. In here we have, oop, I fell out. Uh-oh, we have a knife. Uh-oh. Oh no, it feels like bread again. Here it is. I don't want to look. It's bread. No. Oh no, we have bread again. Not what I wanted. This has pictures of strawberries on it. Please be strawberries, please be strawberries. Not all I'm about. It's bananas. No. And here we have plate. Which means in here we have our spread. Yeah, well, peanut butter spread. Well, this is a short video this week. Oh, I can't believe it. But I guess that is what you get when you're opening surprise toys. You always risk getting a lot of doubles. But hey, what do you think? Did you like our Boba tea? Would you like to see some images of the Boba tea being held by various dolls? I have standard Barbie, I have curvy Barbie, I have Rainbow High. My little girl has some LOL, OMGs and the little ones. I can take pictures with that. Let me know down in the comments if that is something you would like to see. And yes, I will see you all again on Wednesday for either a craft or an unboxing. See you again next Monday for our next Miniverse Monday. Bye!